came to learn with Miss Michaela about cooking, and I learned about so many new recipes, and I had the opportunity to cook with my sister today. Hi guys, my name is Kom. Today I came to Gudie Leisure to learn with Miss Michaela about cooking, and to be honest, it's been a very, very fun experience. I got to cook with my sister, which was really, really cool. I think for me, my biggest highlight was learning about food from different places. I've always thought of Ugandan food and African food in general because we've never had the opportunity to go out and see other foods being cooked in general.
Hello, my name is Gudie Leisure. I am the CEO of Mr. Franchise at Gudie Leisure Farm, and today we had a cooking workshop where we had the privilege of having a renowned chef and author both out of Belgium, and Michaela. Michaela has been able to come and teach a group of over 15 students who were taught in live very, very simple recipes. And we have learned today how to use the herbs and spices that we have already here at Gudie Leisure Farm. For example, rosemary, we have basil and mint, and it was a very, 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 very transformative exercise. Like our MD, who is very, very supportive, Basaza, was able to join in and also be able to test the food that was eaten. So we always have cooking workshops here at Gudie Leisure Farm. And because we really like the food, but we want to take it a step further and make sure that this cookies, the love that we have for the peanut dusters and the pain, the cooking, we are able to spread it out to other people. So we hope that the people that we have taught today are able to also go and teach other people. For me, it was an experience of learning. I was also a student last year, and I have learned how to different beautiful tips that you can use while cooking. So thank you to Michaela, and thank you so much to Professor Gudula Basaza for his very, very good initiative that has been done. We always have cooking lessons here and cooking workshops here at Leisure Farm every Saturday. We're always picking up new things, so watch out for that. But I really encourage everybody, because definitely you can cook with everything that you have in your kitchen, and you're able to use what you have to make the best dishes. So for more of these beautiful recipes that we're able to make, please visit us at Gudie Leisure Farm, and you'll be able to teach you, but also so that you're able to teach other members. So thank you. I have had a very, very good day today, and I hope that this has been instilled with us, but we're able to spread the love and the skill that are food to different people. Thank you so much.
We are honored to have you, but what I can commit, and I believe we all can, we can pass this on. What we have learned today is not going to stay with us. It's not going to stay with the 50,000 women. They will continue to pass it on. So the one day you spent here will impact hundreds of thousands of lives, because you chose to give yourself out. Your time is money, you know it. Both of you, you're very well educated and vast in your field. But to come with all that knowledge, pour it down on us. Give us the time to understand, get to know you, appreciate you, hear from you, learn how to cook for the first time among people. It's an honor. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm used to cook, but not used to give feedback afterwards. Only before. So I'm Michaela, I'm from Belgium. I'm a cook. I do food styling and recipe writing for magazines. I also do workshops for not television, but on the internet, so people can follow from the house. So that's why it's important that you write the recipes correctly, so everybody can follow. I give cooking workshops, lots on different themes, so it was a little bit difficult for me to find recipes that I will find the ingredients here. I just arrived Wednesday night, so I didn't have the chance to taste a lot of Ugandan food. But
Not yet.
not yet. I will. I will. And maybe it was easier if I had been already in Uganda and know how you cook, you eat, which ingredients you have. But what surprises me is that you have all these fresh things and not using it in the kitchen, like the chives and the onions, all the fresh herbs. Yeah. So maybe when you see a recipe on the internet site and you don't know how to use it, you can ask me how to put an ingredient that you have here. Yeah. For the team here, I'm very happy you all came to cook with me. Not with me, I didn't cook, you cooked. You did a great job. I was very surprised about everybody, about every dish. I tasted everything. Not always tasted the same, and that's just normal. Even in Belgium, when I give a cooking workshop and 4 teams make the same dish, it always turns out different, because one's do salt like that and the other one like that. And what I discovered here is that people don't follow a recipe. They just look and then they say, okay, yeah. They don't measure things. They don't measure things. But in our recipes, everything is measured, because otherwise people don't know how to start. So that's very important, that when you write a cooking recipe, you think first ingredients, what you need, and then most easy is when you start writing how to do it, that the first ingredients you need, like peel the onion, that the onion is first, so you can also do like that. About health, about my time, I'm sorry, it's just 2 days I'm here, but Erik came here last year, 3 weeks. I missed him, and now 10 days, so he did a big part of his time. For me, it was only the fun to be here and sharing this cooking workshop with you. Special thanks to Speciosa, because yesterday she showed me around, so I was feeling more at ease to start today. And I hope you spread the word and do the nice cooking or different cooking. But to be honest, the cooking like you do, the boiled or steamed vegetables I had yesterday in the hotel, I like it also very much, because you have very good produce. Yeah, you grow very good things. Thank you.
Thank you.
In a special way, I want to thank Michaela and Erik for making the time. Everybody who goes for a holiday is expecting to be spoiled and not to be exposed to the hot sun, the hot fire, the what. But I want to thank you for accepting to put us within your holiday. When Erik came the first time, he talked a lot about you. By the way, he speaks a lot about this, which is rare here. We never get our husband speak so many different things about us. So that's a compliment. And one of the things that we picked was the wonderful work that you are doing, especially supporting so many Viridian families have quality food through the recipes that you give to different supermarkets and in your magazine and etc. And for me, straight away, I knew that we are hosting a celebrity. Because people would not think they are celebrities here. Who are we as Gudie Leisure Farm to have an opportunity to host a celebrity who accepts to take us through what she does. So we are really humbled. We thank you for making that time to be here. And I think you started working on this, as Spacey said, even before you came, because I was looking at lists, things like this. And I know you did a lot of shopping also in some of the things. We didn't have them here. You carried them. So you are coming for a holiday, you are coming to someone, you are carrying the things to teach, to use for teaching. We normally don't find that kind of thing common here. And the other thing that you have introduced, which I hope will continue, many Ugandans that I know, they always cook from their head. They never follow something written, crush the onion, cut it to pieces, I don't know how many ounces
We did in home economic black though.
most Ugandans, they always know their measurements. They measure salt in the kit by the heart. They measure, I don't know. So I hope now we are going to learn to be able to measure things like salt so that people can enjoy our food. But again, as the Spacey said, we normally have only 15 recipes. That the ones we train our youth agripreneur vendors. So now, just in one day, not even a 4 day, we now have 23 recipes. Wow. And for me, what an opportunity to eat on everything. I was trying to compare who was the best, but everything left my mouth smiling, feeling by spirit. So I want to thank all for taking your time to come to do this, and maybe you didn't even know what you're going to do, but you accepted. We don't take that for granted because you are learning on our behalf. Because in terms of our next steps, we want to do this for this bigger group. We want to invite our 50 women. We take them through these recipes. That means you are becoming facilitators. You need a small Michaelas here that we take these women through these recipes because we want to be able to use them in their different places. So the seed you have sown is going beyond, because these are going to train a set of 50, and the 50 women, each of them has 1,000 women to train. So that is the impact of your training. Wow. It's going to reach 50,000 women who are in Kampala, Kono, and Wakiso, and they are training ordinary people, but giving them an opportunity to earn every day. So probably one of these recipes might be that recipe they are going to do, and someone will say, you are so different. Your food is different from other people's food because they've never had it before. And that's how people make impact when they don't know the impact that they have making. And especially we want to thank the twins. Thank you so much. We all the one and they are not straight. They are not twins, but they are twins. So what we want to learn here with participating to come, I believe this was a special day for you to be at home. Because I'm going to Mango this Friday, the CEO, we gathered everybody in his home. But for you to accept to be here and learn with us and teach us something, that is something we are very excited about. The other thing which I got, we have a platform where we send our programs. So I kept sending whatever pictures I got. Of course, the ones who sent the pictures kept including themselves made after, but it's okay. So I sent this, and it has brought us a lot of popularity. For your information, say, oh, could you want to always attend this kind of things? Always inform us early. As I was sending these things, then there is one lady who is very, very famous. Marcelo's the lady, Eunice. Eunice is the one who baked the Gaddafi mosque cake. She is also the one who did the Basoga wedding cake. She said, Gudula, this is so good. These skills are everyone needs. Thank you, I'll pay you a visit. She called me. She said, I want to be part of this. If you get an opportunity and I can train people how to make the most beautiful cakes, whatever. Wow. So we're already getting offers from other people who want to fashion intense. Isn't that the things? And I guess it's because you were here and they were able to say that someone can come all the way from wherever to be able to offer time and train us. And we are going to be making some commitments that we have to. I think, Speciosa, you know the commitments on your head? Because we want this to stay with us on youth, if it's to go beyond.
Right, does this pilot successful?
Timifa, thank you so much for coming. I know you didn't come for this, but this is a result of what came.